morning student. Once again welcome back in maths class. Today we will continue our exercise 2.2. Okay. Question number 5. So question number 5 is word problem is there. Word problem in daily life we use on many places. Okay. So that we have to solve now. So question number 5 is there. Solve the following word problems. Okay. Here is given some word problems question that you have to solve. Question number A. A factory produced 8,10,240 tires in the month of May. These tires produced by a factory in the month of May. Okay? One factory produced these tires. You have seen many factories. So, our tire factory produced these tires in the month of May. Okay? Then out of these, 4,328 tires were found defective in the quality check. When after making product, factory check their quality, that they are good or not. So in the checking, these tires found defective. Okay, when their quality checked, then these tires found defective. Okay, so how many tires were not defective? So now you have to tell that how many tires were not defective. So we know that total tires these are produced, okay, and these are found defective. So which are not defective? For that we will do subtraction, because which are defective, that we have to subtract from the total. So we will find not defective. Okay, we will get our answer which are not defective. So we will start our solution with a sentence. Okay, solution. So first sentence, what will be there? A factory produced tire. Because first of all, how many total tire produced? That we have to write. So first sentence is there, a factory produced tire. Equal to how much? 8,10,240. This tire produced by a factory. Then out of these 4,328 tires found defective. So tires were found defective. How much? 4,000. So in the thousand column we should write 4. So we will leave the lakhs column, we will leave the 10,000 column. In thousand column we write 4. 4,328. Now there is not 10,000, so we make it 0. There is not lakhs, we make it 0. Okay? These are found defective. So now tires were not defective, because we have to find which tires are not defective. So tires were not defective. Okay? So now for that we will do minus. Now we will do subtraction. So for that we will take, now we will start from one side. Okay? Now in one side there is 0 and there is 8. So we should subtract 8 from 0. But 0 is small, 8 is big. So for that we will take a borrowing. So there will be 3. And there is 10. Now 10 minus 8 is 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. Now here also 2, upper number is 2 and lower is 3. So we can't subtract 3 from 2. So for that we will take borrowing. But next 1,000 is 0. So we will take borrowing from 10,000. So 10,000 is 0. Now in 1,000, 10. Now 1,000 will be 9 and there will be 12. Okay. So now 12 minus 3. 12 minus 3 is what? 9. Okay. Now 9 minus 4, 5. 0 minus 0, 0. Now 8 minus 0, 8. So how many tires were not defective? For that 8,05,912. These tires were not defective. So we write here, so line. So 8,05,912 tires were not defective. That's your answer. Okay, these were noted defective. That's your answer. Okay, so like this you have to solve word problem with a sentence. Okay, now it's a B part. Now its B part is what? The population of a town is 28,76,543. This is the population of a town. Okay, population means people, how many people are living there. That's the population of the town. Okay, now out of these 15,42,678 are males. So in the population you know that there will be males and females. There are two genders, males and females. Okay, so males are given here 15 lakhs 42,678. These are the males. Okay, now here is asking how many females are there in the town. So how many females are there? So in the gender we have males and females. Population is given here. Number of males is also given here. You have to find number of females. So that means from total, if we subtracted male, so that means whatever left, that will be females. Like in the class we have boys and girls. So total, if we know the total strength of the class, so we know that there is only boys and girls, no other. So if we know the number of boys, we can find girls. If we know the number of girls, we can find boys by the subtraction, because we know the total. Okay, and we know the number of males, so we can find number of females, okay, by the subtraction. So now solution start. First sentence, what will be there? The population of a town. First of all, we should write total population, how much population is there. So total population is 28,76,543. This is the population of the town. Now out of these, number of males is how much? So number of, second sentence is number of males. How many males is there? Males is 15,42,678. So 15,42,678. These are the males. Now what we have to find? How many females? Number of females. So we write here a sentence, number of females. For number of females we will do subtraction. So here we will do subtraction. We should put here minus symbol. Okay. Now we will do subtraction. So we start from one side. Now we will see that here is upper number is 3 and lower is 8. So we can't subtract 8 from 3. So for that we will take borrowing. So there will be 3 and there will be 13. 13 minus 8 is 5. Now again we can't subtract 7 from 3. So again we will take borrowing. So there will be 4 and there will be 13. 13 minus 7 is 6. Okay. Now again we can't subtract 6 from 4. So again we will take borrowing. So there will be 5 and there will be 14. Now 14 minus 6 is 8. 5 minus 2, now we can subtract. So 5 minus 2 is 3. Now 7 minus 4, again 3. Now 8 minus 5, again 3. 8 minus 5 is 3. 2 minus 1 is 1. So what's your answer? 13,33,865. What are these? These are the number of females. Okay, so we write here answer. So it is asking how many females are there. So at the place of how many we should write our answer. So 13,33,865 females are there in the town. Females are there in the town. Okay, so that's your answer. Like this you have to write your sentence also in the last. Okay, so your question number B is Finish. Now question number C. Yes. Now C part. The sum of 75,23,625 and 22,34,374 is subtracted from 6 crore 12,76,343. Okay. So, do you know what do you mean by sum? Sum is the answer of addition is called sum. That means the sum of these numbers. So, first of all, we should add these two numbers. Okay. And that should be subtracted from this number. This sum of these two numbers we should subtract from this number. So now here is asking what is the difference that is obtained. So what difference you will get, that you have to write. Okay. So first of all what we do, we should add these both number, because we require, first of all we require sum. When we get the sum, then we can do subtraction. Okay. So for sum we will do addition. So first of all we write the columns. Here is how many? 7-digit number. So we should write here 7 columns. Ones. First of all we write here solution. Okay. Now solution start. So first of all 7 columns we write ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs, then 10 lakhs. Okay. Now first number is 75 lakhs 23,625. Then plus 22 lakhs 34,374. Okay. Now we add them. So plus. Now add. Now 5 plus 4, 9. Okay. 7 plus 2, 9. 6 plus 3, 9. 3 plus 4, 7. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. So what's your answer? 97,57,999. What is this? This is the sum. Here is given sum of these numbers. So these numbers sum we have to find. Okay. Now we go on the next process. Next process is there. Subtract this. Sum is subtracted from this number. So that means here we have to find difference. Okay. We will do subtraction. So this number will come up and this will come down, because subtracted from. From is there. That means after from number will come up and before from will come down. So this sum will come down and this will come up. So here now we will start subtraction. So for subtraction we should again put the columns. Till where? Till crore, because there is 8-digit number. Okay. So till crore we have to write the columns. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, and then crore. Okay. Now first number is 6 crore. 6 crore 12 lakhs 76,343. From this we have to subtract the sum. Sum is 97 lakhs 57,999. That we have to do subtract. So we put here minus symbol. Okay. Now we start from one side. So we can subtract 9 from 3? No. So for that we will take borrowing. So next is 4. We take from 10. So there will be 3. And now there is 13. 13 minus 9 is 4. Now we can subtract 9 from 3? No. Again we will take borrowing. So there will be 2 and there will be 13. 13 minus 9, 4. Now again we can't subtract 9 from 2. So again we will take borrowing. So there will be 5 and there will be 12. 12 minus 9, 3. Now again we will do, but again upper number is 5, lower is 7. Again we can't subtract, so we will take a borrowing. So there will be 6 and there will be 15. Now 15 minus 7, 8. Now 6, from 6 we can subtract 5. So 6 minus 5 is 1. Again 2 minus 7 we can't subtract, so we will take a borrowing. So there will be 0 and there will be 12. Now 12 minus 7 is 5. Now again we can't subtract 9 from 0, so we will take a borrowing. So there will be 5 and there will be 10. Now 10 minus 9 is 1 and there is 5. You can put here 0 also because there is no digit, so we can put here 0. Okay. So now what's our answer? 5 crore 15 lakhs 18,344. That's our difference. So here is asking what is the difference that is obtained. So what's the difference? Difference is 5 crore 15 lakhs 18,344. So we write here. So the difference is, so the difference is, what's the difference? 5 crore 15 lakhs 18,344. That's your answer, because here is asking that what is the difference. Here is asking difference, so we have find difference, so we write here. So the difference is 5 crore 15 lakhs 18,344. That's your answer. So like this you have to solve all the part ABC. Thank you.